Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
कर्नाटक सरकार फाटल्या कितल्याशाच वर्सां सावन लोकांक पिशांत काडटा. मात म्हादईतलें उदक वळयल्यार गोंयच्या तशेंच उत्तर कर्नाटकांत पर्यावरणाचेर, जंगलाचेर आनी उदक सुरक्षेचेर गंभीर परिणाम जातलो. सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात प्रलंबीत याचिका फाटी घेवची अशें आवाहन केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रल्हाद जोशीन केलां. मात याचिका फाटी घेतल्यार कायदेशीर आडमेळी उरच्यो ना आनी कळसा बंडोरा प्रकल्पाची मंजुरी आनी कामां रोखडीच फुडें व्हरपाक मदत जातली असो दावो कर्नाटकाचो पर्यावरण मोगी कॅप्ट नितीन धोंडान केला.
A statement by one of the ministers in central minister in Karnataka requesting the chief minister to withdraw the case against Goa and they would look at a amicable settlement. But we from North Karnataka, we want a settlement to be taken legally. It must take it legal recourse. It should not be that the legal framework is compromised in this situation because we have a North Karnataka's at risk. This project will push North Karnataka into desertification. And we don't want to take such decisions illegally as politically settled outside the court. Like today's topic was we having a personhood for the river. So Malaprabha river must also have a personhood of her own. She is required to speak. As Mhadei is required to speak for her river, for herself, and there can be a representation of the river by somebody else than anybody is representing the state. We must have somebody represent Malaprabha as well as Mhadei into this case. Long time, people have been fooled. The farmers have been fooled. They have not been able to give water for so many years, and we are saying that we'll divert a river and get you a water. Whereas this particular thing fails, and it is a lie on the many accounts. One is when you have 140 TMC of water which is being used in a river for sugarcane, 4 TMC is not a very difficult water. 3% of saving will give you 4 TMC, what has been awarded by a tribunal to us. While doing that, we should not stop water going to the Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary and the Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary. Both are very important water towers for North Karnataka as well as Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.